G'day everyone, artist Wayne here, and today I'm shining the spotlight on my mate, Super Sam. He's always beautifully dressed, and his motorcycle is meticulously clean. He always helps to put pieces back on my bike that have fallen off. And yes, he's a shit-hot rider, super smooth and lightning fast. So he's the exact opposite to me in every respect. But the reason that this particular video I'm about to show you has never seen the light of day is because Sam warned me that if I ever published it, he'd be coming for me. But we're in lockdown now, so he can't get to me. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is what Super Sam never wanted you to see. Look at those short little legs! Trust me, this is something I never see.
Yeah, I got it, Sammy boy!
Tim! Poor Super Sam, he would have got his jersey dirty. Oh, the fun we had when doing a Super Sam single trail safari. Today I was riding with not only Super Sam, but the guy we call Guy, and the king of Kurumbong, Big Jarrod. And being a typical Super Sam ride, we were thrown in the deep end as soon as we began. And today I was pretty stoked with myself because I was about to ride a line I've never had the courage to attempt before. So I tightened my sphincter, I closed my eyes, and I rolled that throttle. And when I opened my eyes, I was at the top! When Super Sam and I, two elite riders, turned around,
Up the high section!
we suddenly realised Big Jarrod wasn't so lucky. Big Jarrod had crashed at the top and the bike had fallen on top of his leg.
Can we bring it over this way?
Now we're not medical professionals, but it appeared that Big Jarrod had broken his leg in 4 places. But when I asked him if he needed to go home, this was his reply. This is Sparta! You see, us dirt bike riders aren't like soccer players. They only play with 1 ball, whereas we play with 2. Here's where you don't take a WR250. They're just too low and just too fat. Oh, and they're also really bloody heavy.
Oh, that's it.
Here we were, boys and girls, following Super Sam down the rabbit hole. This hill was steep, and you know when you're riding deep down into a dark, foreboding valley that you're always going to have to climb your way back out.
Nice in here.
Come on, Sam, you can do it. I couldn't help myself, I had to show it one more time. But now it looks like we're on the uphill climb. Oh, and boys and girls, it's always steeper than what it looks. And now I've hit a tree. I'm not really off to a good start. There's a trail here somewhere, I just know it. And that, my friends, is why I ride with Super Sam, because he keeps us on our toes and we have a bloody fun day. I'm Artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching, everyone.